Thank you very much. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you. Thank you.
Ay, sorry.
Mahalaga sa health, parang wala yung problema. So yun ang stress related. Well, sa mga gustong pumasok dito sa larangan ng sabol, number one is pumili kayo ng tamang lagay. I-prepare po yung sarili nyo na kaya tayong mag-alaga ng manok. Kung walang alagaan, dapat
Okay.
tapos good materials, then piliin mo rin yung mga honest breeder na magbibigay sa inyo ng
So strong, man.
Really, please.
You seem so strong. You don't like my gold in your eyes?
I'm eating it.
Yeah, it doesn't taste good.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I don't like
Hurt you?
No. Ah. I come.
Did you come?
I come. Ah. Yeah.
of course, sa mga tao na nandito, yung breeder ko na si Idol.
Oh, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Help me. Oh, Jesus Christ. Who are you? You take all my breath away. You take my breath away. How does it go? I can't sing.
I'm coming.
Are you? Twice? Ta-da! Oh, look at the moves. Superwoman.
Ako po si Engineer Rene Medrano ng Lucky Mountain Game Farm. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Para sa tukaan at kabuhayan, ang pagmamanukan, ginawa pa nating mas makabuluhan.
Maayong araw mga kagayanon! Magkita-kita kayo sa Kagayan Coron.
That's nice.
March 15 to 17, 2024. Visit us at the Atrium, Olympic Time Hall, Cagayan de Oro City. Abangan ang mga
Thank you.
nagpapalang breeders.
I love you. I think I need to rest before I get serious with this.
No. I want now.
Oh, that feels good.
Yeah.
When you rip it off, it feels better. Smooth skin. Your perfume smells great.
Dok Juanin, ano ba yung mga upcoming events natin sa Excellence?
Well, yun, tamang-tama yung tanong mo, Miss Betay, kasi malapit na, next week na po, ang ating Cebu Game Power Expo. So, isa po tayo sa sponsor, at may malaking booth dyan, sa ating mga kasukaan at mga ka-excellence sa Mindanao and even Visayas, na gustong bumisita, mamasyal din sa Cagayan de Oro, at pumunta sa Olympic Atrium Hall sa
Well, it's a close battle. You're the winner. You're the winner. I need a break.
Oh.
No. Sir, are you okay? Are you hurt? Are you hurt? You're joking. You're so strong. I have to lower the air. I thought it was too cold, but after that I'm getting hot.
Yeah.
You made me hot. Hot, hot, hot.
Hot.
Mindanao, sa
Love you.
Visayas, ayan, pumunta po kayo dyan.
I love you.
Mga ka-Betchay TV ko, kaming silver top natin dyan. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Pwede po kayo pumunta po.
I have to get in better condition next time. Because you're so strong. So little and so strong. Thank you. Easy. Love it.
Love you.
Favorite
Love you
pets
too.
nyo, cats and dogs, kasama po yan. Siyempre, yung paborito natin manok, panabong, kami nang bahala dyan maghatid sa inyo kung nasaan man kayo. Just call a message, sa Bimac Shipping Facebook po.
Oh, come on. Ow. Okay, I surrender.
Ah,
I'll give you my virginity. Take it.
I can feel it.
Take my virginity now. Oh. Oh.
Oh my God, you're doing?
I didn't know we were going to get out of control like this. I was videotaping.
I didn't know it.
Yeah. Well, it's only
You're
for us.
crazy.
We'll stop it now. They're fun memories.
Yeah.
They're real. They happen all the time.
Oh, what happened? Ah, it's a TV.
Uh,
See that?
we got, how many? 6 minutes?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's a lot.
That's a lot. I'll send it to you. You did that.
Ah. I
It was
didn't-
all it was natural. Like, I'm so dizzy now. Will I be able to drink my tea after you rough me up? Another roughing? I hope I survive the next night. I must survive. Here she is, the beautiful Elizabeth Queen. Queen Elizabeth. See you later, guys.